Huh? That's Kitty. Fontana Car meet. Now this is bunch of old school stuff, new stuff, but this right here is nice. Skyline, old school. Look at that, you don't see this every day. Yeah.
Hey guys, so who wants to win a backpack? Does anyone want a backpack? $5 backpack? We have to answer a question.
I give Michael's like good at car show.
I don't really know my cars, but what was the first year that 510 was made?
Look at that.
Okay, now you guys need 10 push-ups. 68? Okay, that question is too easy. Who's the owner of the dealership?
Mr. Fontana?
Oh, that's wrong. Okay, I guess my questions are too easy. I'll ask questions later. Okay, bye.
I just ain't get enough, I gotta drive through. Cause it's me, you, all night, at your place, or I feed your appetite. Let me get my ticket, baby, let me